Hello there! We'll go over the basics of supports and resistances, and how you can use them when trading. In war, you typically have two sides of the battlefield. A similar situation occurs in the stock market. You have buyers on one side and sellers on the other. The battlefield is the fluctuating price movements of a stock. When a stock continues to hit a certain price or area, that can be seen as a critical support or resistance, depending on its previous trend. Traders use these points to predict the next move, whether it be a continuation of the trend or a reversal. The most common and widely used type of supports and resistance is horizontal, meaning it happens at a specific price. Look at this candlestick chart for example. You can see how it continued to bounce between or respect these two prices. Later on, it broke out on the higher price, retested it, then bounced up from that price and continued upward. That's a typical breakout we'd want to look for when trading. Supports and resistances don't have to be certain prices. They can be found in patterns. Actually, they're what make patterns patterns. You can spot them in trend lines, trend channels, and a lot of other situations. Here's a few examples on the screen. The goal is for you to be able to spot these yourself. Trading is all about patience and waiting for the right opportunity to increase your chances of success. You don't want to trade at a resistance without much confirmation. Sure, the trade can go your favor, but it can also not go in your favor. Really not in your favor. A good rule of thumb is to wait for a breakout, then retest, then bounce to continue that trend. You probably could make more profit by entering below resistance, but through this method, you lower your risk significantly. Always have an exit plan. Hope you learned something from this video. Go ahead and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified. Wait, why not join our Discord server to get the full experience of Stonkology? We'll be giving a special deal for the first 50 members to join our group. So come on in, and we'll prepare you for the battle ahead.